how to do screen recording in your computer without downloading any recorders or softwares. I am Mr. Gadget Texton, and let's get started. Go to your computer and type game bar and click on it. After searching and clicking on the game bar, the menu for your screen recording is going to appear. And under this menu, it is where you're going to control all your screen recordings in your computer. So under this menu, we have the first icon, which is the performance icon. So when you click on the performance icon, it is going to show you how your CPU is operating, how your GPU is operating, VRAM is also operating, the RAM and the FPS all will be shown right in this panel. So moving on, let's look at the capture icon. So under this capture icon, if we click on this camera sign, we shall be able to take our screenshot. And if you don't wish to go manually, it is having its own designed shortcut, which is Windows plus Alt plus the print screen. The second item is where we can record our last 30 seconds. So if we click on this item, we shall be able to record the last 30 seconds in our computer. And it is also having its designed shortcut, which is Windows plus Alt plus G. And that is quite amazing. So let's look at our next item, which is the recording button. So when we click on this recording button, we are going to be able to record each and everything that we are going to be doing in our computer. And you'll be able to capture all your tutorials, your explainer videos right in this place. It is also having a well-designed shortcut key, which is Windows plus Alt plus R. And now you can screen record without any problem. Moving on the next item, we have this icon where you can turn on the microphone while recording. And it's also having its own designed shortcut key, which is Windows plus Alt plus M. And the last thing we want to look at the capture icon is where you can see all your captures. When you click on this down here, you'll be able to see all your screenshots and your recordings. Here you'll also be able to edit, delete, open file location, or even create a meme. And that's all about the capture icon. Now let's go ahead and look at the audio icon. Under audio, we have the mix and the voice item, where we can be able to check our speakers and the sound system. So in this place, you'll find all your connected devices like the speakers and the microphones. And that's quite easy. And the next item that we're going to look at is the widget menu. In this menu, you're going to find the audio tab, the capture tab, and even the performance tab. So to wind it all, you will be able to find all that it takes for your screen recording experience, like the audio, capture, performance, gallery, resources, and even Spotify. Try it out. This game bar system is really amazing. If you want more powerful screen recorders, that's a very good option then. We have Clipchamp, which is from Microsoft, and it is suitable for Windows and iOS. It is also having a free and paid version. You can use your valid Google account to sign into Clipchamp. Another free screen recording software is OBS. OBS is free and open source, which is a cross-platform for screencasting, screen recording, and live streaming. OBS is available for Windows, Mac users, Linux distributions, and BSD. We also have Bandicam and Camtasia, where you can sign in using your Google account. Thank you for watching.